Hello, everyone. Today, I want to take you on a journey where we explore the depths of the scientific world and encounter astonishing facts. Incredible but true, the universe is filled with mysterious secrets. Firstly, have you ever thought about how black holes affect time? An hour doesn't pass near a black hole like an hour elsewhere. This is an impressive result of Einstein's theory of relativity. Did you know that trees communicate with each other? Yes, they communicate through chemical and electrical signals via their roots. Nature truly speaks to us in many ways. How fast do you think Earth spins? Actually, it spins at about 107,000 kilometers per hour. And it's not just Earth. The solar system is also moving within the Milky Way galaxy. Does quantum physics intrigue you? Some particles exhibit both wave and particle properties. This prompts us to question our traditional understanding of matter and energy. Lastly, let's take a look at the dances of honeybees. Yes, honeybees communicate their food sources to other bees by dancing. This is yet another proof of how complex and fascinating nature is. The world of science is filled with facts that surprise and awe us every day. This is just the beginning. More discoveries await in the depths of the universe and the mysteries of nature. Science is an endless source of curiosity and exploration. We look forward to uncovering more in the future.